back pretty good. For the day, it's down close to 2,000 bucks, I believe. Let's take a look. We were down. Whoa, how about $3,664 for the day? Yeah, down. That's a chunk, right? And I talked about this the last video I did. The 86 is a very real possibility, right? Been waiting for this for a while. I've talked about this numerous times in the past about Bitcoin hitting a 382 on the retracement. Let's look at these crypto bubbles here. Then we're going to come back to this chart. And if you would hit the like and subscribe, I would very much appreciate that, guys. Helps me out a lot. And try to stay positive through this. I know it's a beating. It can be terrible when your wallet's down 20, 30, 40%. Been there numerous times. The last bull run, I got kicked in the teeth pretty hard there when we had, I think it was a 40% pullback in Bitcoin. It was brutal. Right when XRP got sued, I believe that was about the time. I held a pile of XRP. For the week, you can see here down a lot of tokens down 20, 15, 20, some even 30%. 22. I thought I'd seen a 30% in here. 22, maybe not. Yeah, 36, right. IP. Man, is this thing doing good, huh? Rank number 71. Went from, what's that, the last week? Let's see here for the month. This was back. There's Valentine's Day, February 14th. Wow, this thing is, what did it launch, the 13th? At $2. And it's up to, what is it? 455 right now. Yeah, rank number 71. Holy cow! There's the new Phantom. Yeah, Sonic. Rank number 42, up 12 spots. Yeah, but Bitcoin, the number one token in the world. Let's take a look at the market cap in day. There's Bitcoin minus 3.5%. All your big boys, BNB down 5.3%. ETH down 9.6%. XRP down almost 10%. I took an XRP long this morning. Thought XRP might have been at the bottom there, but no. Then I tried another long there. Thought maybe we'd get a bounce. At least a bounce back up here, but it's been a pretty straight line down here for Bitcoin. Normally you get bounces. You pull down, bounce, pull down, bounce. This thing's come straight down so far, right? If you want to join our trading group, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only $15. You get over 10 hours of videos to teach how to draw trend lines, how to use the Fibonacci, how to do about everything is in the videos. 10 hours, over 20 videos, and you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us. We have almost 200 members. A lot of people that have been there for months and months. I thank you so much, guys, to the members. I love you guys. Trying to wait till maybe we get taking a couple shots at a couple trades, but really needs some a little bit of stability right now. I need Bitcoin to go sideways to start nailing some trades here, or hit a bottom, or something. Right now, you're just kind of playing with fire. I was up. I don't know, $400 on injective there. Then it rolled over, and thank God I had my stop loss at break even. But I hate putting a trade out and then it going south. And that always sucks. All right, so we have some nice runs over there. We make some really nice money, but days like today, better off sitting on the sideline and waiting. Over here on Weeks, there's a link in the description of the video for it. New customers, you get all kinds of sign-on and stuff. If you do KYC and you deposit $200 for at least 24 hours, you get a $100 bonus on top of that. So that's pretty cool. You can go down through here, all kinds of airdrops for new users, up to 300x leverage. All right, so if you like your leverage, if you get good entries, all right, 300x can wipe you out in a fraction of a second if you don't know you have a great entry. So if you're new, don't go messing with no 300x. Do 3x leverage or 2x, and just start slow. Okay, you don't have to build yourself up. Leverage is a great money maker, but it's a great money taker too if you use it wrong. Right, 800 million in copy trading volume. You got a lot of look at that, 5,000 plus professional traders. You can copy their trades. You can hit copy, and it'll automatically place a trade every time they do. Win rate the last 3 weeks, 94.7. But they might only take one trade a week. All right, look at the profit and loss, 68 grand last 3 weeks, 89 grand the last 3 weeks. Let's take a look. Let's hit it. Return on investment. I don't want to hit anything accidentally, but you can go in there and check them out, and it'll show you how many trades they've taken. All right, win rate, copy trading, total profit and loss. So yeah, these are the ones that they 20% of the time they use Bitcoin ETH. Bitcoin Cash, it looks like their trades are 20%. A lot of people trade Bitcoin, with leverage, because Bitcoin goes up and down. It's moving when you're in another token. Unless Bitcoin's going sideways, But with weeks, you can download the apps, trade on the go, all kinds of stuff in there. So great place, love it. We have a bunch of people going over there and signing up. Give them a shot. And I use them, and I use Bitonix. I use both places because they both have different rewards and stuff, and they run different campaigns all the time where you can make money off, for being a member. So I love that. Bitcoin dominance. We're watching for a drop, right? I mean, this thing, it looks like a possible last push. All right, a fifth wave up towards 67%. All right, you got you take a look at this, right? You can see 5-wave structure forming in here. Pretty obvious, right? 1, 2, 3. If you're familiar with Elliott waves, 3, 4, and you have a fifth wave coming up here. Want to get this thing moving and get it out of here and get it over with, so it's done. I think this push down with Bitcoin is probably going to do it, maybe, and we'll get this final fifth wave. All right, we're in the final move of this Bitcoin dominance before it rolls over for this alt season. All right, so don't get crushed too bad here. Okay, stay focused. Know what's coming. All right, know what's coming. The bear market, this thing is usually down here. All right, around 40%, 41, 47%. That's normal for the bear market. Okay, not way up here at 67%. That only happens in bull runs. Back here is the bear market. 2017, 18, and then 20 it finally started running again. But there's your fall. Okay, right here is when the alt season came. Right here, 2017. There's your alt season. Bitcoin dominance crashing. All right, it was all the way up in the 90s, and it came down to 36%. Here's your other alt season, and little one in 2019 hit the 618, rolled over, came back up, hit the 618 again in 2021. There's your alt season. All right, we're right back up in that range again. I'm looking for this thing to crash down, right around 30% down here. All right, so stay positive, guys. It's coming. Okay, it's coming. I know it's tough right now. Now, with this wedge that Bitcoin formed, if it does the width of the wedge, okay, that's going to pull it down right around $86,000. If it does that, all right, we got the 12-hour RSI heading straight down. The daily, let's see where it's at, heading straight down. Okay, your weekly, it's got to be, heading straight down. All right, we have not had a 382 retracement yet. I've talked about this numerous times. Normally, with a wave 4, you have at least a 382, if not a 50%. All right, and that's at 86,000. 86,250 roughly. All right, that's off of this wave here. Okay, 382 is normal. It's been stuck up here and right around 236. This would be perfectly normal for it to pull back here and one more blast up. Okay, that's what I'm looking for here. That's why I totally believe this. I mean, we've had wicks down here, all right, down to this range, and we did make it down to 89. 80, yeah, right around 89, and it sucked it right back up. All right, so I am looking for this push down, about 86. Let's see here. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it gets done fast. Maybe this fifth wave runs up and this thing pushes down and finally ends. Let's take a look at some here. And I have not done this. Let's take this. This will give a target 89, 558. I just think it's going deeper than that. I do, maybe between 86 and 89. I really believe it needs to come near this 382 to be complete. All right, you have 5 waves forming in here. You can see them. These are going to form out. All right, it's not going to be a straight line down. Right over here, you're going to have 1, 2. This was a 382 retracement. 3, depending on how deep this 3 goes, you'll have a 4 back up. Okay, probably get people all excited. Oh, the bottom's in, the bottom's in, the bottom's in. Stop, and then a poof, then a 5th wave down. All right, it's going to do that. All right, I'm going to put this right off to the side, right like this. All right, and we'll see what happens here. But it's hard to say. If normally this will do a 2618. Let's see. Alright, take it off. Right up here, 2618, we'll put it right around 91, right around there maybe, for this third wave. So it might come down right around 91.4, and then we might get that bounce back up, and then a 5th wave down. Alright, might not be as deep as we're thinking, okay? If it comes down through 94 and it keeps going, yeah, then it's gonna be pretty deep. But somewhere down in here, okay, is gonna be that. We got further down to go. We'll get a bounce, like I said, maybe something like this. All right, if it comes to the 3, the 4, usually a 382 or 50% back up. Maybe it's not going to be as deep as 86. Maybe not. It's hard to tell. But the full extension of this would put it at 88,000 on the dot. We'll see what happens with that. But keep an eye on Bitcoin. Got some more downward action here to go, it looks like. And who knows? Maybe I'm totally wrong. Maybe it'll hit a bottom here and spring up. But I am looking more at something like this personally. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe. Go sign up for Weeks. You'll love it over there. And I'll talk to you soon.